The most effective method to implement an Agile performance management process in the first place, organizations should discard the yearly worker audit sheet. SPRY execution. The board involves a totally unique layout, yet one that can be effectively evolved. 1. Prior to the meeting. Crowdsourcing data. A manager ought to characterize the representative's work as far as everyday obligations, however as far as how those undertakings identify with the group's and association's definitive reason also. As a component of the presentation of the board cycle, the chief accumulates information on the worker's real exhibition and whether it coordinates with those targets. 2. During the meeting. Setting goals. Furnished with an arrangement, the administrator and worker examine the objectives set out in it. Together, the worker and chief devise steps to arrive at those objectives and decide how the result will be estimated. For example, if the goal is to reliably comply with time constraints, the presentation advancement plan outlines how frequently in a month the worker will meet that target. 3. After the meeting. Checking and dexterous execution of the board depends on continuous criticism and training to be fruitful. After the underlying gathering, the chief timetables standard gatherings to check in with the representative. Have they met their objectives? Is it safe to say that they are encountering any troubles? Obviously, between these gatherings, chiefs can give criticism and training if necessary. Why Agile performance management works. A live presentation. The executive's interaction draws in representatives in an all-year, consistent cycle of individual turn of events. They become dynamic members in developing their qualities in manners that advantage themselves and the whole organization.